Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I'd just like to welcome you to our next video. It's been a while since I've last done a video, and I just want to get right to it and give you kind of a game plan on Power Lead System and how to utilize it to succeed and make a passive income online using this opportunity. It's an amazing business and I love it. Out of all the things I've done over the years, Power Lead System is still my favorite business, and so I'm going to get to it and tell you how to succeed in it. And what I want to talk to you about real quick right now is to tell you about what does it take to succeed online. It does take some patience. It takes you taking consistent action as frequently and as much as you can. The ones that take the most action are the ones who are going to succeed the most online. So what you want to do is you want to first, if you're new, you want to learn. You want to learn what you need to do. And what this presentation video does, it gives you a complete overview on what Power Lead System is. And it also goes over our amazing compensation plan and why you need to go all in your business. Because if you don't, you're going to be putting some money on the table that you're not going to see. This is actually a post that I used on my Facebook timeline to promote my online business. And in it, I said, "This is the result of taking consistent action every day. I never quit and learn new things every day. So stick to the game plan and the training inside our sales page." And that is exactly what we have in this page. So when you come into if you opt into my sales page, my capture page, what you're going to come to is my sales funnel. And one of the first things you should do is watch this video all the way through, and it'll explain everything about this platform, what it is, and how to succeed in it. Then after you watch the video, make sure you bookmark this page just in case you lose it. You can still access it through my welcome email, but just in case, bookmark the page, and then connect with me on Facebook. Just send me a quick message saying, "Hi, how you doing? I'm interested in the opportunity," or "I've signed up." Whatever it is that you want to say. You don't have to be afraid. I am a very friendly guy. I'm very outgoing, and my main goal is to help you. And I want to help you. I want to succeed in my business, but I also want to help others as well. So send me a friend request on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, which you can actually do when you're watching this video. Below the video, there's a subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the little notification bell so you'll get a notification when I upload new content. And also, make sure you join Action Takers Success Group. You can join it here. And when you join, and I will personally welcome you myself into the Facebook group. So you can still join, but when you connect with me and tell me that you have joined or you're in the process of joining, I will welcome you personally into the group. You want to be a part of that group because I'm going to click on the button right here, because this Facebook group is to help motivate you. It's helped motivate you. As you can see right here, Sean, he just got a $400 commission right here. And just think, getting a $400 commission, even if all you made every month is $400 extra a month, just think about how that extra $400 a month could help you on top of what you already make on your job or whatever. So I'm going to get into that more in a little bit. But we constantly post and we congratulate and we welcome people into the Facebook group. As you can see right here, great news, Sean. Susie Holmes just purchased Social Profit Academy, and you just made $400. To qualify to get $400 commissions is a one-time fee, and once you pay that fee, every time someone under you buys that product in Power Lead System, you get a $400 commission. And it's just life-changing. And Sean also posts a lot of his videos in here as well. Let's see. So right here, Sean, all these fast start bonuses are all Social Profit Academy. So these are all the ones that he's gotten so far. That's a 400, a 400, a 400. All these are $400. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14 $400 commissions. That is life-changing money right there. And it is possible. It is very possible that you can do this. And in our sales funnel, oops, where did it go? Oops, I must have clicked out of it. 1 second. Just going to go to my web pages to get back to it. So, and we teach you all this. This sales funnel alone will help you duplicate and replicate your business. But as long as you take it seriously, if you get lazy and you don't put any work into it, it's not going to help you earn money. So what I want to do right now is I want to show you, for those of you who have watched my videos in the past, have seen the sales funnel already, Sean added a new get starting video. It's called Monkey See, Monkey Do. So basically, Monkey See, you watch what he has to say, and then the screen will go blank and it'll say Monkey Do, and you will do what he says. So it's a very fun video, and it's also to help you get started. It's gonna tell you how to set up your sales funnel, all kinds of things right here. And then these editions I had before. My Facebook, my YouTube links are right here. But what he added was, who wants to see some proof? Does this business and sales funnel work? Check out this below. So what Sean did is he took screenshots of his own personal income. This was from Sunday, January 2016. That is just the year he picked. The date he picked. And total earned commissions for that selected week is $4,201. And going all the way down here, these are all screenshots from between Action Taker Success Group and the official Power Lead System Facebook group. He just took screenshots from what people posted, and as you can see, look at this guy, $990 for that 1 week. Let's just say that's all you made for 1 week in the whole month. that is life-changing right there. As you can see, you got some diamond commissions, which are, you got 3 diamond commissions, which are $100 each, and then he got 1 platinum, which is Social Profit Academy, which I showed you right here. That's $400. So, and then his basic $20 commissions from Power Lead System, those are the $20 commissions. He made $260. So this is all designed to help people see that when you learn to duplicate and replicate your business, this is all possible. And I'm going to go up here real quick. I'm going to go into a quick, where is my, here we go. Go back to the start video. Now this is the back office Power Lead System. I have all these green. You want to get all of these right here green at some point, because this is where your $20 commissions are. This is where your $100 commissions are in diamond, and in platinum, these are where your $400 commissions are. That's what I meant when I said you got to go all in your business. Now, if you can't do it right away, do it as soon as you can. I'm telling you everything because I want you to succeed. And I'm even telling you about the $400 commissions. I am not qualified to do that yet, but when I do, I am going to want to do it at some point, because to make $400 commissions and even $100 commissions is life-changing in itself. So to watch, you can watch there's videos on each one of these. So for the gold, you can watch the video there. For diamond and platinum, you can do the same. It explains everything on how it all works. So essentially, when you go diamond, every time someone buys a diamond commission, you get $100. Now, and then you also get $25 every time your referrals gets platinum as well. So you get the what is it? You get the $100 commissions when, let's say you signed up under me. You buy this product here. It's a one-time $147 purchase, and it's the best $147 I ever bought, because I have made that money back and more. As you can see right here, this is an actual screenshot of my email. It says, Matthew, a new diamond member has arrived. I remember getting this out too recently, and it was late at night, and I'm like, I was about to go to bed, and all of a sudden I hear my phone beep from the notification, and I was like, I was so excited that night that I had a hard time going to sleep, because just getting that $100 commission was amazing. And now every time one of my referrals buys that $140 product, I get $25, a 20% matching bonus on their entire diamond pay lines. So I'm getting extra residuals just for what my downline is doing. So you get the $100 commission and the $400 commissions, but you also get extra residuals. And when the diamond commissions, the gold commissions, they are $20. So let's say you sign up under me. For as long as you are a member of Power Lead System, I get a $20 commission every month from you alone. So, and then every other person that comes in that you bring in, I get a pass up. So you're probably saying, well, they bought the product from me. Why shouldn't I get that $20? Well, that's where the what makes this so awesome is because, let's say, all your pass-ups, all the people that pass up to me, so the first one you bring in, you get a $20 commission. Every other one after that gets passed up to me. So let's say I made about $1,000 in pass-ups from you. At the end of the month, you get a 50% matching bonus on that entire pay line. So I get the $1,000, but you still get $500. You get 50% matching bonus on that entire pay line that went up to me. So you still get $500. Plus, when you start getting people under you, you're going to get those pass-ups as well. So in the long run, it builds up. So that's why you want to go all in your business. I'm going to talk real quick about Platinum. Platinum, like I said, $400 commissions every time someone under you buys Platinum. You get a $400 commission, and that is a one-time fee. I forget what it was. Let me see real quick. Okay, I already got that. Here we go. It's a one-time purchase of $497. Once you do that, every time someone under you buys this product, you're going to get a $400 commission. Oops.
Our final product is
and that's the Platinum membership. And it's also a training called Social Profit Academy. It teaches you how to market on Facebook and other platforms. But just getting this alone, getting those $400 commissions, will be life-changing too. And not to mention, you get a 50% matching. You get $50 overrides every time your referrals buys that product. So your entire referrals downline, every time someone buys Social Profit Academy, after you make the $400 from him, you get $50. It blows my mind, because once you start getting this going, the residuals plus the 400, the 100, and the $20 commissions, they all start coming in. And that's when you can make real change in your life. And when you learn how to duplicate and replicate your business online, that will be very powerful. And I know I've gone through a lot of information here, but I just want you guys to see the big picture, to see the game plan. We're going to help train you. Like I said, when you click this this link right here, the training page, there's all kinds of videos helping you how to use Power Lead System, how to get more leads, how to generate traffic to your sales page. All the training is here. And my sponsor, he knows what he's talking about. He created all these videos and this sales page. He's a six-figure earner. He's been free from a job now for 2 years. He's a full-time dad to his son, and you just ask him how he started. He started just like all of us. You learn, you take action, and you get out there and help people. You help people and you brand yourself, and that's how you do it. And when I talked about the 20, the 100, and the $400 commissions, just watching this video is going to influence other people when you bring more traffic into your sales page. And once you start and you learn, as long as you put in the time, know you're not going to quit, and take it seriously, you can make 6 figures with this opportunity as well. Like I said, I'm not going to lie to you. I am not a 6-figure earner. I still have a job that I do. I am self-employed. The job that I do is I set my own schedule anyways. So I am of self-employed, not entirely because of Power Lead System, but because I'm making extra money through Power Lead System and making money through my other job. I am making a full living doing this and that job. My goal is to eventually get rid of that other job and do this full time. So that is what I want to do. That is my goal, and goals are very important. But the key to succeeding online is to take action, to educate yourself, which we provide right here in the training page right here. You can even access it in your back office in Power Lead System right here. Let's go to web pages. My internet's a little slow. That's not it. Can't actually find it here, but it is here. But for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through it. But you can access it here and underneath the video here, or when it comes time for you to get your sales page. This is the sales page where Sean's going to show you. He shows you in pictures, and he also shows you in the video on how to set everything up so you can get your own sales funnel. But you can also access it right here where it says Sean's training page. You can click on that. You'll go right to the training page that you saw, and that's about it, guys. I just want you guys to all succeed, and I want you to become a part of my team. When you become a part of my team, you'll get your own sales funnel. It'll look exactly like this, except for the things that I added myself right here and here. You can do that at your own leisure once you get more advanced on learning Power Lead System. Whether you promote this just through the sales funnel right here, or you promote it alongside another business to help brand you in that business, because you can create pages like this in Power Lead System too. And oh, I forgot to show you right here. These are a testimonial video from other members in Power Lead System. And this is another video here showing you our compensation plan. It's just an extra video to help you. Sean talks all about it right here as well. But guys, this opportunity can be life-changing if you take it seriously and you learn from the training on this that we provide here in the sales funnel, and also in our Action Takers Success Group. This Facebook group is here for support, and so if you have any question, just write it right here, and someone at some point in the very near future will answer your question. Don't be shy, because if you're shy and you don't speak up, you're never going to learn. And I'm available too if you need help. But if I'm unavailable, just ask your question in here. And also, you want to go to the official Power Lead System group here and join as well, because just like the other page, we have all kinds of people in here that love this business. If you have any questions here, feel free to ask. Like this guy right here, $30, $120, $200, $400, $750 extra, giving him a grand total of $852. So just take this business serious, guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comments below. Underneath this video, you will see a subscribe button. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.